Tennis season is in full swing, so high-end watchmaker Gerald Charles has just unveiled a pair of court-inspired models, the Maestro GC Sport Clay and Maestro GC Sport Grass, limited to 200 pieces each. As always, we've included all the product specifications in the description box so you can check them out later. We always love to hear from our viewers, so please drop us a comment below. If you have any questions about this watch or any other timepiece from Gerald Charles, ask us in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. But for now, keep on watching as we go hands-on with the new Gerald Charles Maestro GC Sport Grass and Maestro GC Sport Clay limited edition watches. As an authorized retailer of Gerald Charles, Les Ambassadeurs offers a large selection of their latest models, including their GC Sport Maestro Clay and Grass. Explore this timepiece at Les Ambassadeurs Espace Connaisseur Lounge in Geneva at Rue du Rhône, in Zurich at one of the most exclusive shopping avenues in the world at Bahnhofstrasse, or in the beautiful city of Luzern at Kappelplatz, or visit our online store at lesambassadeurs.ch. The Maestro case design was conceived by the legendary watch designer Gerald Genta, who founded Maison Gerald Charles in the year 2000. Characterized by its delightful asymmetrical shape, complete with a smile at 6 o'clock, the Maestro silhouette is the hero of the Gerald Charles collection. Available in several iterations, including ultra-thin timepieces, chronographs, and tourbillons. The lightweight Maestro GC Sport retains the customary elegant lines of the flagship case, yet it's designed with professional athletes in mind. Gerald Charles has a close relationship with the world of professional tennis and has shock-tested the court-ready Maestro GC Sport on the wrists of some ATP tournament players. The first Maestro GC Sport model made its debut in 2022, dressed in blue in honor of hard court tennis surfaces. Now, the addition of the clay and grass models forms the trilogy of the tennis-inspired Maestro GC Sport lineup. The Maestro GC Sport Clay and Maestro GC Sport Grass watches feature lightweight polished grade 5 titanium cases that measure 41.7 mm from side to side, 39 mm from top to bottom, and 8.7 mm thick. Aside from the case's robust construction and lightness on the wrist, its form was explicitly revamped to allow tennis players to comfortably wear it during matches. For instance, instead of the traditional right-side placement, the crown is positioned on the left-hand side of the case to prevent the crown from digging into the hand while playing. Decorating the crown is the classic hobnail pattern, also known as the Clou de Paris finish. The cases are water-resistant to 100 meters deep. The shape of the bezel that frames the sapphire crystal-protected dial follows the exact same contours of the case, creating a striking double-stepped look. Note the combination of soft angles, straight lines, and prominent curves. Unconventional architectures are a hallmark of the late Gerald Genta. While both watches have identical cases, they are clad in vastly different colors. Let's have a closer look at the aptly named Maestro GC Sport Grass first. If we zoom in on the green dial, we see a graduated effect that lightens up closer to the center to mimic the way grass courts can fade nearer to the net. On the other hand, the Maestro GC Sport Clay houses a graduated russet-colored dial that echoes the red powder of clay courts. Both dials benefit from a lovely textured finish, which is achieved by hand-applying color and a clear, shiny coat to a specially grained dial base. This process creates a three-dimensional finish that is akin to the uneven surfaces of grass and clay tennis courts. Regardless of the color, the dials are home to a date window at 6 o'clock and oversized Arabic numerals at 3, 9, and 12 o'clock, which lends a sporty touch to these Maestro watches. Plus, all the 12-hour markers, along with the hour and minute hands at the center, are coated with superluminova for in-the-dark legibility. The Maestro GC Sport Grass is fitted with a matching green vulcanized rubber strap, whereas the Maestro GC Sport Clay is paired with a chocolate brown one. The top sides of the straps are decorated with the same Clou de Paris motif as the crowns, while the undersides feature the Gerald Charles logo tapisserie. The straps secure around the wrist via a grade 5 titanium buckle embellished with the Gerald Charles logo. Including the strap and buckle, the Maestro GC Sport watch weighs a mere 65 grams. That lightness, coupled with the ergonomic case designs and short lugs, translates into an exceedingly comfortable watch on the wrist. The watch's dimensions and sleek shape are ideal for a range of wrist sizes. The case backs of the watches are furnished with sapphire crystal display windows for a view of the highly shock-resistant ultra-thin movement inside. Powering the Maestro GC Sport is the caliber GCA 3002 automatic movement, developed by Maison Gerald Charles in partnership with the specialist Swiss movement creator Vaucher Manufacture Fleurier. Despite the movement's slim 3.7mm profile, it manages to incorporate a twin barrel system for 50 hours of power reserve, as well as an Inca block anti-shock system. Limited to only 200 examples in each color, the Maestro GC Sport Grass and Maestro GC Sport Clay are priced at 16,200 Swiss francs. With a combination of high-end craftsmanship, thoughtful design details, rich colors, and unconventional silhouettes, these new Maestro GC Sport watches are ideal for those looking for unique yet ultra-wearable luxury watches. In true Genta fashion, these timepieces blur the lines between elegance and sportiness, while also being proudly artistic and nonconformist. Les Ambassadeurs is proud to have these limited edition Maestro GC Sport watches available for you. If you haven't already, visit Les Ambassadeurs' website and shop from our online store at your convenience. You can even take advantage of our super-fast flash delivery service, where we can deliver a watch within 3 hours to any location in Switzerland. Yes, that's right, in just 3 hours. What do you think of the new Maestro GC Sport Grass and Clay watches by Gerald Charles? Do you appreciate the asymmetric design of the case and the left-hand placement of the crown? Have you ever tried a Gerald Charles watch on the wrist? And if not, would you like to try in the future? We always love to hear from our viewers, so please drop us a comment below. If you have any questions about this watch or any other Gerald Charles model, let us know and we'll answer you as soon as possible. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest watch reviews from Les Ambassadeurs, please subscribe to our channel, click the bell button and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.